It's recording.
It is?
Yes. Black Friday.
We're at Black Friday in Grand Prairie, Texas on, what day is it? November 29th, 2024. And we're looking for Bianca.
She's out here somewhere shopping till she drops. And we're gonna find her. Yeah, let's get a little hee. We found her in the Nike factory. We knew we would. Yes. We caught her catching all the deals.
We caught her and she thinks she actually broke. She's out here shopping for Oh my god. Are they should we wait?
We're in Aeropostale getting one thing, braving this line. Nice. Here we are. Where they have fresh tortillas, handmade daily.
So this is one of our favorite places to get from.
But we are gonna get a bucket. This is where we wait. The person's gonna be like, are they recording me?
They just opened, by the way.
Yeah. Good morning. Yeah. Mesquite wood. Can't see that. We've sat at every table in this place.